One of the challenges of eating red meat or other animal products like fish, poultry and eggs is feeling guilty or being made to feel guilty about the so-called environmental impact of producing these foods. And that's important because that can get in the way of you taking control of your health, because you'll think that if you eat less red meat or eat less eggs or eat less fish or chicken, that one is you'll improve your health, which is not true, and two, you'll be saving the environment. Now, when it comes to the environment, let's do a quick thought experiment. If you think about all the different things that we do on a daily basis or a regular basis that have an environmental impact, think of the many things that actually are not essential for our health, that we have decided, as human beings, that are important for us. So, for example, having faster phones, having higher definition TVs and screens, having faster computers, having things like a variety of clothing. I know I'm not trying to make this into an ethical or philosophical discussion, but having a vast variety of clothing of different types, different fabrics, are these essential for our health? There'd be a massive inconvenience if these weren't available to us. The amount of cosmetics that we use, both men and women, again, they are going to have some environmental impact producing these things, packaging them. And if we don't have them, it's not going to have an impact on our health. But we decided that they are important for our well-being, important for our daily lives. Yet somehow, it's okay that it's accepted to say that we should be reducing almost to zero the amount of red meat that we eat, and also the amount of dairy, the amount of eggs, the amount of fish, the amount of chicken. Obviously, we have to ask the question, how can we make it more sustainable long term? But why is it that we should be reducing these which are essential for our nutrition? And don't let anyone convince you that plant-based diet is anywhere equivalent to a diet that contains animal protein, because animal protein is superior. It has more amino acids, more essential amino acids in a more bioavailable form. It has more micronutrients than any plant that you can find. Even unless you're talking about lab-produced fermented foods which are highly unnatural and not really fit for consumption, then you can supplement them and you can fortify them. But really, natural, unprocessed meat, eggs, chicken, fish have all the essential nutrients that you need, and you should add to that non-starchy vegetables and some other healthy fats to produce a real balanced diet. But anyway, going back to this issue about environmental impact, we've decided as humans that many things that are not essential for our health, that do have an environmental impact, are part of our daily lives, and obviously we should try to strive to make them more efficient and have less of an environmental impact, but we still continue to use them. And meat should be included. Meat should be high in that list. It should be high in that list. Meat and egg production, poultry and fish, all should be high in that list, because that's the only way you're going to nourish our bodies properly and reverse the disastrous impact of obesity and diabetes. When we move away from this idea that we should cut out meat and focus on calories and reducing fat, and actually eat a more balanced, more nutrient-dense focused diet, which definitely includes animal protein, including red meat. Let me know what you think about this thought experiment. Am I completely off tangent, or do I have a point?